We will now go through a short questionnaire that contains all the types of questions that the main data collection instrument does. Now you can see all the identifying questions for the new interview. Identifying questions, which were filled out by the headquarters or supervisor, will have a lock icon next to them. You will not be able to change any identifying information that headquarters has already filled out. Any missing information should be filled in by the interviewer. After filling out any necessary identifying information, click on the blue Start button at the bottom of the screen. Questions that take a numeric response have a field for an open numeric answer. For example, consider the question asking for the post index. When the field is tapped, the numeric keyboard appears so that you can compose an appropriate numerical response. Press Done to confirm your entry. Next, consider the text question asking for the household head's email address. Text questions have a field for an open text response. Tap on the field to enter an appropriate response. Press Done to confirm your entry. Now suppose you want to record the location of the household with a GPS question. To answer GPS questions, first, tap on the Record GPS button. This will open a window informing you that the tablet is searching for the GPS location. Closing this window will stop the tablet from searching for the GPS signal. Once the signal is acquired, the tablet automatically records the GPS coordinates. The GPS location is displayed immediately below the question text on your screen, showing the longitude and latitude. If the GPS reading is not accurate enough, you may tap on the Record GPS button again. Doing so will replace the old GPS reading with the new GPS reading. After tapping the Start button, you will be redirected to view the cover page information. If all information is correct, press Start to start the interview. Here we have a list question to record the list of household members. To answer this question, tap on the empty text box and use the keyboard to input an answer. Additional elements can be added to the list until the maximum allowable number of items is reached. To delete elements from the list, click on the X mark. To record the date of the interview, answer the following date questions by tapping on the text box or by pressing on Tap to Record Current Time button. It depends on which option has been chosen by designers. In case of current type recording, date information will be recorded automatically. Or, after clicking on the text box, use the pop-up window to input the date. You may either scroll elements of the date up and down, or pick the date from the calendar. Clicking the OK button records the date. Single select questions have answer options with radio buttons. For example, consider the gender question. To answer this, tap the radio button associated with the most appropriate answer. Another form of a single select question is a combo box. A combo box looks similar to text or numeric questions. Selecting an answer option in a combo box can be done either through tapping an option directly or through typing to narrow down answer options and then selecting the most appropriate one. Suppose that after capturing the information about the respondent, you will need to take a picture of the respondent. Tap on the Take a Photo button. At the pop-up window, select that either you want to take a picture or to upload a picture from the gallery. To take the photo, point the tablet's camera to compose your picture, then press the camera icon on the screen. Press the OK button to accept the picture or the Retry button as shown to reject the picture and replace it. Or you can upload the picture from the gallery. To do this, select the option Pick from Gallery. After selecting the picture from the gallery, then the picture will appear below the question text. Tap on the Take a Photo button to retake or re-upload the picture. The next question is asking the respondent for his or her signature. In our example, it means that the respondent has agreed that all information provided by him will be used in the survey. To answer this question, sign on the screen. You can clear the signature by pressing the Clear button and signing again, then press Store Signature. Audio questions record sound using the tablet's microphone. To answer the question, the enumerator has to tap on the Tap to Record Audio button. A timer and recording status are displayed. To stop the recording, tap on Done. An audio question has a 180 seconds limit. After 180 seconds, the recording will stop as if Done was pressed, and the 180 seconds will be saved automatically. The recording can be replaced by selecting the Record New button. Note that the previous answer for this question will be lost. Now, move to the next section of the questionnaire named Household Information. Consider the next two multi-select questions on household goods owned. The first one is a generic multi-select question which has answer options with checkboxes. To answer this type of question, tap all the appropriate checkboxes. Selected answers will show a check in the box. The second example is a multi-select question in yes/no mode that has two radio buttons that denote yes and no for each answer option. To answer the question, select a radio button for each of the items listed. If a multi-select question in yes/no mode is linked to a roster, as it is here, only those answer options with the yes radio button selected are included in the roster. To answer a numeric question with special values, you can either type a number in the field or choose one of the available options. In our case, the question asks about the current price of the dwelling and has the field for the open numeric answer when the respondent knows and is comfortable to give the exact price, 3 special value options with the price ranges. They are useful when the respondent agrees to give approximate numbers, and 2 special value options when the respondent doesn't know the number or refuses to answer. Those special values could be chosen in the list or by typing a special value. After choosing a special value, the field for an open numeric answer will be disabled. And the opposite is also true, where, after typing a value to a numeric field, the special values option will be hidden. Now suppose that you're asked to capture the barcode of the household member's favorite book. To do this, tap on the Take a Barcode text box. Then, point the tablet's camera toward the barcode, trying to align the red bars with the barcode. Once the tablet can clearly read the barcode, the camera will turn off and the barcode's value will appear just below the question text. To answer an area question, tap on the Tap to Record Area button. If more than one map has been uploaded to the tablet, the enumerator should select a map first. Tap on the active map in the upper left corner, then select a map from the list. To navigate faster on the map and show your current location on the map, press on the target icon in the upper right corner. To select an area, press each dot on the map that represent the coordinates of the area to appear. If you place the dot in a wrong place, press the Undo button. It will cancel your last action. To clear all your actions, tap on the Actions menu at the top right corner and choose Clear Data. You can edit the shape by adding more coordinates or moving the existing dots or area. Once complete, tap on Save. The area and length will appear. You can revise the selected map by pressing the Tap to Edit Area button. In the next video, the last part of the interviewer training series, we will discuss other characteristics of a main data collection instrument, including enabled and hidden questions, error messages, comments, translations, and the overall navigation in the application. For more information, please visit our site.